All right, folks, week 7 discussion. Oh, poor Karen. Poor Karen. Totally messed this whole thing up, right? It's up to you to help her. You need to help her right the ship. You need to help her figure out what went wrong and try to make it right. Okay, so the scenario is you are giving a presentation with your colleague, your friend Karen, to a group of managers. Now, that's important, okay? Managers, because that's telling you something about the audience. And that's always important, is knowing your audience with PowerPoint. So you look at Karen's presentation, and hopefully you don't start pulling your hair out all at once because you realize this really does stink. Okay? So what went wrong? Specifically, what went wrong? And I think more importantly than that, if you know what went wrong, what needs to go right? How do you fix it? Okay? So there's really kind of two elements that you're going to be focusing on, maybe three elements you're going to be focusing on here. What went wrong? How to fix it, and then also how to basically break it to Karen that her presentation is not very good and needs to be fixed. How do you do that too? So there is kind of the PowerPoint element specifically, but then there's also just the human elements, okay? How do we deal with constructive criticism? How do we give it? How do we deliver it? Have you ever given it before? Have you ever had it given to you? How did it go? That kind of thing. So PowerPoint specific stuff, constructive criticism. So I want to see what you're going to do this week. Okay, a lot of you are going to say the same things about what went wrong. Well, it was color, it was font, it was size, it was the wrong number of slides, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. All good things. But you tell me specifically what she needs to do then to fix this. And how do you convey that message to Karen? On top of that, we're going to have another discussion board, another fun one, maybe two. I'm not sure. Hopefully, I know I've been teasing this whole kind of Halloween themed one. Maybe this is the week where we can do that. Hopefully, it is because we don't have many weeks left. So keep an eye out for those, and we'll see where the discussion board topics take us this week. Thanks, folks.